Hi, this is Jan with Jan's Jewelry Supplies. Welcome to another soldering video. Today we're going to be making these soldered rhinestone earrings. Okay, I have all of my pieces laid out. I'm going to set them aside and I'm going to go ahead and start rolling out my Play-Doh. I just use the Play-Doh to keep my pieces in place while I'm soldering them. You could also use a J-board. I'm sure there are other things on the market that I'm not aware of. I'm sure there are other things you can use. When you roll out your Play-Doh, you just want to make sure that it's large enough for your piece and that it is smooth and even for laying out your pieces. If you have bumps in your Play-Doh, then your piece is going to be wavy or sticking up in places. Now that I have my Play-Doh laid out, it's nice and smooth, I'm going to go ahead and start laying out my pieces. And on something like this, I usually start with the larger stones, and these are kind of in the center of the piece. I'll lay those out just so that I have something to frame my pieces around. I now have all of my pieces laid out, so I'm going to go ahead and start to solder. I am using a 300-degree solder that has a rosin core and a heat gun. When you solder, you're actually heating up your settings, not the solder wire. You want your settings to get hot enough to melt the solder wire. And everywhere that a piece is touching or close to touching, you want to make sure you get a connection. It really doesn't take a whole lot of solder. You just want to make sure you do get some solder in between every piece. Okay, I have all of my pieces soldered together, and I did go ahead and add a little bit of solder on the top stone, which in your image is actually going to be the bottom stone. This is where the ear clip is going to set, and I am using a third hand to slide the ear clip in place. And now I'm just going to use the heat gun to reheat the solder and adhere the ear clip. And here we have our finished earrings. If you will go to jansjewels.com and look for soldering kits, these will be available in a variety of colors. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.